How to transfer funds from TD Ameritrade to Interactive Brokers. Ensure that both your TD Ameritrade and Interactive Brokers accounts are active and that the information, such as your name and account type, matches between the two. Log into your Interactive Brokers account and locate the section for transferring accounts. This can be done through the Client Portal. In the Client Portal, go to Transfer and Pay and then Transfer Positions. Select Transfer Positions and choose ACATS, then enter the name of the delivering institution, TD Ameritrade, account number and other relevant information from TD Ameritrade. You can choose to transfer full account or partial account, specific assets like stocks, cash, etc. After filling in the details, review your request and submit it. Interactive Brokers will handle the transfer request with TD Ameritrade. The transfer process typically takes 5 to 7 business days. You can monitor the progress of the transfer in the Interactive Brokers Client Portal. Once the transfer is complete, check both your Interactive Brokers and TD Ameritrade accounts to ensure all funds and positions have been successfully transferred. Thanks for watching.